guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ewelina and welcome to another Polish lesson. In today's video, I'm going to teach you just a few December phrases. I am going to try to do that throughout this month so you can learn a little bit more, a little bit more, and a little bit more. So subscribe to this channel, like this video if you do. Hopefully you do, because you're going to learn some new good Polish stuff. Anyways, we're going to start with the word December. In December, in Polish, you say grudzień. 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 So repeat after me, or with me. Say it with me. Grudzień. 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 December. I have my notes here. Now, I want to tell you how to say in December because it changes. So in December, you say w grudniu. W grudniu. Grudniu. W grudniu. W grudniu. W grudniu. In December. Now, I want to tell you how to say a full sentence with that word. So, I was born in December. And in Polish, you say, I'll say as a female version, feminine. Urodziłam się w grudniu. 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 As a guy, a male version, you're going to say urodziłem. Urodziłem. So urodziłem się w grudniu. Urodziłem się w grudniu. Urodziłem się w grudniu. So one more time. How do you say December in Polish? Grudzień. In December. W grudniu. And I was born in December. Urodziłam się w grudniu. Or a guy, you'll say urodziłem się w grudniu. All right. Next word is going to be Christmas tree. Christmas tree in Polish, you say choinka. 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 Christmas tree. Choinka. And then on the Christmas tree, like ornaments, there are ornaments on the Christmas tree. But if you want to say on the Christmas tree, you say na choince. Na choince. Na choince. On the Christmas tree. Na choince. Na choince. And then under the Christmas tree, pod choinką. Pod choinką. Pod choinką. Pod choinką. Pod choinką. Pod choinką. So once again, how do you say Christmas tree in Polish? Choinka. On the Christmas tree. Na choince. Under the Christmas tree. Pod choinką. And the last one for today is going to be holiday. One holiday. One. One holiday. You say święto. 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 Holidays, you'll say święta. 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 Which also means actually holy. Like holy. Święta. Like I am holy, you know? Jestem święta. So święta, holidays, plural. Holidays, święta, jedno, one, święto. And then the last one is, holidays are coming. So you can say święta idą. You can switch it, idą święta. And also you can say święta nadchodzą, or flip it over, nadchodzą święta. Whatever way you will say it, you will be understood. Everyone will understand what you mean. So again, holidays are coming. Idą święta. Idą święta. Idą święta. You can say święta idą. Święta idą. Or święta nadchodzą. 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 Święta nadchodzą. Szybko, which means like fast. Szybko, fast. So święta nadchodzą szybko, like the holidays are coming soon. Or nadchodzą święta. Nadchodzą święta. Nadchodzą święta. Nadchodzą święta. Święta nadchodzą. Święta idą bardzo szybko. All right, you guys, and this would be it for today's video. This one is a short one. I'm going to make many more just like these ones. So if you have any suggestions that you would like to learn this December, please let me know in the comments section down below. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much, as always, for watching and being so kind to me. And I will see you very soon. Okay. Oh, also I have an Instagram. It's ItsEwelina_. I make daily word of the day videos. If you guys want to check that out as well and practice a little bit more, please go to my Instagram. ItsEwelina_. Other than that, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys very soon. Dziękuję bardzo za uwagę i do zobaczenia wkrótce. Cześć! Do zobaczenia. Bye!